Welcome back to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this tutorial we are going to create drafting for this particular part. So same like this, how they have mentioned here in drawing, same we are going to create here 2D for this. Now for this part, so just directly we can go here with this start drafting on empty sheet with A2 size, let's say. Okay. So let me create borders and zones and title block for this by using edit sheet background. Then here frame and title block create. Okay. Then again by using this edit, we'll come back to working views. Or else if you want, we can edit whatever we want. Let's say for example, let me give name. Okay. Then just by using edit, we'll come back to working views. Now for this part, first we need to insert this top view. Why? Because this first section view we are having here horizontally here, that should be specified here, but they have not given here. So if we make cut section with reference to this, we will get this section view. Again for this, if we make cut section here, we will get this. So first let me insert this top view. So by using this front view, by using window, we will open the part for which we need to generate drafting. We need to insert here top view. We'll click on top, and here this should be rotated like this. This is the proper position we want. Let's click outside. So here borders, it is not visible. Why? Because in earlier tutorials we have turned off this display view frame as specified for each view. Just I will turn on that. So if it is turned on only, we are able to move view from one place to another place. If it is turned off, we can't move view from one place to another place. For this we need here one section view. By using here offset section, we need exactly at center, somewhere from here to here. Just double click attain. So we need like this. This is the section. Then again for this vertically we are having at center. So again I'll go for offset section, somewhere from here like this vertically. Double click here. See here, if I try to take section view for this, by double clicking on that, we are getting error. Why? Because this is the activated view which is highlighting in red color, but we are trying to take section view for this. So in such cases we won't get whatever we wanted. So first we need to activate the view by double clicking on that, for which we need to generate either projection view or section view. Then we can go here with this section like this. Double click, you will get either you want this side or this side. So according to this, we are having here like this. Just by dragging that, we can keep it here. So like this we can do it. So I think this should be in reverse. So this is the cut part and this is the maximum dimension. Let me try with one more. By using Ctrl+Z, I'll go back. This view I will delete it. Section view we want this to this. Double click. I'll keep it here. So this is what we are having here like this. Then again, this whole position also, it should be cutting properly through this. So here we are not having proper. Okay, let it be no issue. Now let's go dimensioning. First we'll start with this top view. So this top view dimension here, one more section view we are having. You can see we are not having section view entire area, only this part we are having. So in these conditions, we need to use one option called here broken out view. So breakout view, just by I'll activate this by double clicking on that. We need to take, or we need to show section view only this half part. In such cases, we can't use this directly offset section view. So in that case, we need to use here breakout view. We need to draw the profile where we want to show that section view. So I want from here to here like this. Then I'll take section inclined like this. Then up to here we want. Just this profile should be closed. I'll close it. Then automatically it will reflect back to this 3D model. We need to adjust this cutting plane where you want to show that cutting. So usually this cut section is inside 12 mm cut is there. So you can see here this inside 12 mm cut is there. So that we are able to display here. So that we wanted. So by using this plane, just I will adjust to that center where we made this pocket at center. Then just I'll say okay. You can see only that part it will get section view. Then let's go for dimensioning. So dimension from edge to edge we are having here 68. By using dimension, I'll use horizontal dimensions all at a time. This to this. Then next horizontal whole center to whole center. Like this. Then next horizontal dimension we are having this center to this center. So this whole center to this whole center. Then so these are about horizontal dimensions. Then we can go for vertical dimension. Vertical dimension we wanted from this center to center, this center to this center like this. Next edge to edge we want, so this edge to this edge. Then this line to line. Just by seeing that we need to mention all dimensions. So drafting is very simple once if you know all the options how to use. So these are about vertical dimensions. Then let's go here with this radius fillets. So directly we can open dimension. We can go here with radius. Radius we wanted for this. Then one more radius we wanted for this. So one more radius we wanted for this inside circle and this inside circle. So radius for this. Then radius for this. Like this. After keeping also we can adjust wherever we want. Then this whole dimensions we want. So 4 holes dia 8. We want here diameter dimension for this hole somewhere here. Now we need to mention 4 holes text here. So to mention text before or after dimension we are having here 2 methods. One is select the dimension, mouse right click, go here with this properties, then dimension text option we will get, dimension text. So this is the main dimension. Before dimension if you want we need to type here, after dimension suffix if you want we can need to type here. So here we need 4 holes like this. If I say okay, that 4 holes will be created here like this. So this is one method. Then one more method, if I click on dimension, here some arrows we will get here in yellow color. That arrows we call it as manipulators. So that manipulators by default in every system it will be turned off. Manually we need to turn on that. So to turn on that settings, we need to go for tools, options. Then here we need to go for mechanical design. Under that we need to go for drafting. Then under drafting we need to go here with this manipulators. You can see here manipulators. So here you can see all were turned off. We need to turn on this. So let me turn on all these things. Then I'll explain what is meant by this. Here you can see 2 white dots are there. Modify overrun. We can overrun that modification dimensions. Then these 2 red dots are insert text before, insert text after. So prefix or suffix text if you want to insert for dimension, these 2 red arrows will be useful. Then this is to move value. We can adjust the dimension position. Then again this move dimension line, that extension lines we are able to move by using this. Then again, yellow dot is move dimension leader, or else while we are using datum feature, as already I explained in before tutorials, if you want to make datum feature A with shading with triangle material, so we can use this symbol. So that all we need to turn on like this. So here also we will turn it on. Let's say okay. Now, if I click on dimension, you can see two arrows you are getting, and this one also you are getting to adjust. So if you want text before dimension, we need to click on this before arrow. Whatever text we want, we can type here. So we wanted here 4 holes. Let's give space. Let's okay. So like this, it will be created how we wanted here. So I hope you have understood this. Then let's move for this. So same here also, all dimensions are there. Let me give it all dimensions, whatever we wanted here by using dimension. And one more thing that you can see, if you want to create the center marks for holes, so just directly we can select, if we are having multiple holes, first by holding control, we will select this multiple holes first. Then under this dress up, we will be having here this center line. If I click here, you can see all holes position symbol will be created. If you want, we can mention, or else directly also we can get dimensions. Then dimension we want, let me go here first with horizontal dimensions. All our diameters are there. So directly if I go for diameter from this to this, properly we will get like this. Again diameter we want for this inside hole, this to this. Like this. Then next we are having these two holes also, outside to outside. So this is just to cross check whether our 3D model is correct or wrong as reference to this existing 2D views. So if we create this and if we cross check this drawing and this drawing, all dimensions and views should match, then only our 3D model is correct. Then again this inner one from this to this. Then next we are having these two holes. Then outer one. So this to this. This view, let me drag this down. We'll keep it somewhere here. So these are about horizontal dimensions. Then we can go for vertical dimensions. Vertically, we are having total height from starting to ending. Then this center one. Then this dimension from this to this. So if we get any error here, we need to go back to part design and we need to modify that. This angle we wanted, so I'll use normal one. This vertical line to this inclined line. We want angle, but you can see we are not able to get this. So in such conditions, separately we need to go for angle dimension between this to this here. Here you can see I'm not able to get here angle. So in such conditions, mouse right click we need to use. Here angle sector will be there. If I use sector 1, so this side I am getting mouse right click, angle sector, sector 2, this one I am getting. Like that, according to our requirement, we should be keep on changing the sectors until we will get the correct one. So we need this sector 2. I'll keep it here. So this text also we can adjust like this. Then next we are having vertical dimensions of, I think this dimension also is there of diameter. Let me give this diameter. Then this side will come dimension we want vertically for the small line. Then from this to this, from base to this line, from base to this cutout, then from base to top, like this. Then again here, this 27 and 13 we need to mention. So this 13, then this 27 from this to this. So later, just if you want, we can adjust this text position wherever we want, like this. Then let me insert isometric view also. By using window, just we can click wherever we want. Directly it will come isometric view like this. Now, for example, this isometric view name I don't want, we can delete that. Then if you want to convert this isometric view with shading with edges, we need to go for properties. On the border, mouse right click, properties, come at last, view generation mode, we need to keep it here, raster. Go for options, here raster mode we need to keep here, shading with edges. Close it, apply it. Let's say okay. So like this, with the shading also we will get this 3D isometric view. So at last, after completion of these 2D views, just we need to turn off this display view frame as per specified view. So normally it will be like a drawing sheet here. So just we can save it as PDF or CAD drawing, or else we can take printout also like this. So I hope you have understood about this drafting of this particular part design. So if you feel this video is informative, please like the video and share to your friends to whom it will be useful. And if any content you wanted from my side, please let me know in comment box. Thank you so much.